Congratulations, you have your E-Trade account set up, but you're wondering, how do I transfer money in and out of my account? Some people say, Prince, why do you make this video again? I made this video again to update everybody that's probably saw an old video, but this is of 2020, June of 2020. How do you transfer money in and out of E-Trade? I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer money in and out and how to but how to set up an external account with E-Trade. If you don't know what an external account is, don't worry about it. You'll know about it in this video. But first, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, hit that like, comment, and share button. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and children of all ages, you are now tuned into the Investor Show. As always, this is your gracious host, the Prince of Investing, Prince Dice, coming to you guys and girls live, all the way from the beautiful city and state of Denver, Colorado. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, comment, and share button. And as always, I don't have a lot of time, and I definitely know you guys and girls don't have a lot of time, so we're going to jump straight into it. So there you are. You're logged into your E-Trade account. Log into your E-Trade account. You're going to go to accounts. Right up on the accounts, you're going to go to transfers. Click on transfer money. Boom. So right here, you can click where you want money to go from, where you want money to go to, how much you want to go. If you want to go next week, next Thursday, whatever, you can, or today, you can put in the date. And also, if you want to do something every week, every 2 weeks, every month, every year, whatever, you can also do the frequency as well. But some people are saying, Prince, that's cool, but it's not pulling up my bank account. The reason why it's not pulling up your bank account, because you have to set up your bank account as an external account if you don't already have it set up. If you already have it set up, it will be in this pull down menu that I'm not going to click on because I don't want anybody to see my bank accounts. But anyway, don't worry about it. If you don't have it, you're going to go to external accounts. External accounts is that, hey, I have a bank account, account with JP Morgan, Bank of America. It is external to E-Trade, right? So now what you're going to do, or if you have another E-Trade account, your wife, your husband, dog, cat, or whatever, you can set it up as well. So you're going to click on external account. Once you click on external account, you're going to click on add external funding. Once you click on add external funding, you're going to click on securely add account. Now it's going to say help us verify your identity. So it's going to send you a text message. Click on the number so it can send you a text message. Now, once you have gotten that text message, it's going to ask you to add that account, where you're going to have to put in your account number, you're going to have to put in your routing number, and you're going to have to put in, I think, your financial institution. Then, once you confirm that, now what it's going to do is going to make 2 deposits into your account. It's usually for anything up on a dollar. It'd be something like 10 cents, 15 cents, or whatever. It's going to send 2 deposits to your account, and those amounts, once you know those amounts, you're going to have to come back to this. Let's say if you put in 15 cents and 25 cents, boom, you're going to see that come into your account. Now you're going to have to come back and verify that number. So you're going to come back, you're going to go to external accounts again, then it's going to have a button that says verify. You're going to click on the verify button, and it's going to say, hey, what amounts did we put in your account? You're going to put in 15 cents, 25 cents. And you're going to hit confirm. And it's going to be like, boom, this account is now verified as an external account. Once you have that account verified as an external account, you can move money in and out at will. You can come into your E-Trade account and pull money out of your account at any time. You can send money to your account at any time. So that's the benefits of having an external account. And that's how you can move money in and out of E-Trade. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I hope this helped you guys and girls out. Until the next video podcast, cartoon, or whatever else you see me do crazy around the globe. Peace, be safe, I'm out, and thank you.